All right, here we got a 2024. It's a AGT QX16R. So it's got a 16-inch digging bucket on there. Comes with the hydraulic thumb. That's a good add-on right there. 39-inch digging, or excuse me, backfill blade. What else we got? Got the LED lights. It's got a gas-powered engine. We're gonna go ahead and fire it up right now. Show you a little bit how it works. And then you can start bidding on it and start to digging. All right, hold the phone right there. We got a cameraman today in training. Friday before the auction, 9 to 4. We're open 9 to 4, like I said. Come check it out. Any questions in the meantime, let us know. Thanks for watching.